Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, alright, my name is Azlan Said and I make video on YouTube. So for this video, I will be unboxing my brand new telephone, iPhone 11. Okay, actually saya order my iPhone 11 melalui Digi. Digi ada buka pre-order 20 hari bulan September hari tu. Since saya berminat dengan iPhone 11, so I order iPhone 11 through Digi website. And di stiker yang kamu nampak tu, barangan ini hanya boleh hantar pada 27 hari bulan 9. Yes, 27 hari bulan 9 tu actually is the official date for launching iPhone 11 in Malaysia. Tapi sebab courier service di Beaufort ni sangat lousy, saya cuma dapat ni telefon on the 28th of September. But it's okay, I still got the package in good condition. So, itu yang paling penting lah. So, mari kita unboxing this iPhone 11, okay? So, obviously daripada kotak tu pun kamu boleh nampak, this is a white iPhone 11. Saya memang plan to ambil iPhone 11 yang berwarna putih. Sebelum ni iPhone 7 yang saya guna selama 4 tahun tu warna hitam. So, why not this time I'm taking the white one. Okay, and this time I'm getting 128 gig. Sebab saya tahu penggunaan untuk data storage memang sangat besar. So why not just taking the 128 gig so you can fully utilize the huge storage for this iPhone. And then ada orang tanya juga, kenapa kamu ambil iPhone 11? Kenapa tidak iPhone Pro Max kah atau iPhone 11 Pro kah? Well, sebab iPhone 11 is much cheaper, is more affordable bagi saya lah. Yeah, so I think that's the reason why. Okay, jom kita buka kotak ni. So kalau kamu beli iPhone warna putih, kotak dia pun warna putih juga. Untuk iPhone 11, dia cuma ada putih, hitam, merah, hijau dan purple. So untuk iPhone 11, di belakang tu dia cuma ada dua kamera 12 megapiksel untuk standard view dan ultra view. Ini pula dia punya lightning cable untuk charging port dia lightning cable masih, bukan fast charging ah. Lepas tu di depan dia kamera 12 megapiksel juga. And then, apa yang ada di dalam kotak iPhone 11? So, macam biasalah, this one is all the manual paper, dia punya sticker, Apple sticker. And then ada tu, apa tu, dia punya pin untuk buka tu kamu punya SIM card. And selain daripada tu, dalam kotak ni juga ada charger untuk iPhone 11. Charger dia guna kabel 5 watt saja. And then punya USB to lightning port, macam previously punya iPhone juga. And iPhone 11 ni dia support fast charging. So kamu kena beli berasingan dia punya tu plug lah. And then macam biasa dia ada juga bagi tu headphone with lightning cable punya ni. Itu saja yang ada dalam dia punya box. So, mari kita set up this new iPhone 11. First, kita bonjour, hola, hello. And then we select the language, English of course, and then select my region. It's Malaysia of course. Alright, where is Malaysia? Oh, there you go, Malaysia. And then after that, quick start. It's quick start for that. And the good thing about iPhone is, if you're busy, you are using iPhone, then you can just log in with this. Set up new iPhone, and then you just pull your all iPhone to the new one, and then you can connect it, and then after that they will do the job for you. So easy, right? So much easier. And then put your passcode for that. I cannot see my passcode. And then yeah, and for this one saya sudah backup semua application, semua iPhone 7 di MacBook saya melalui iTunes. So with this I just plug cable and then just restore all the application, all the data, all the photo, all everything lah to my new iPhone, to this new iPhone. So much easier because some of the application that I have in my iPhone 7 is no longer exist in the Apple Store. So the good thing is if you backup in your MacBook, you can still have all the application that already not available in App Store. That's good, right? So that's what I'm doing. Alright, the phone already connected to my MacBook and then it will restoring all the data from my old iPhone. Ada setengah orang dia suka buat telefon dia set up as new iPhone, but for me I don't like that because I don't want to like start all over again. Saya mau bila buka telefon tu terus ada macam biasa. So that's what I'm doing right now. Yesterday I was watching a YouTube video from Jenna Izarik, sister of I Justin. She is doing the restoring also, but I don't know, somehow the telephone is not success restoring all the data from her iPhone. So bila jadi macam tu kan, bila dapat tengok video macam tu kan, saya pun takut pula buat macam tu. So mana the same thing is happen to me. That is very scary, man. Alright, this restaurant is successful. We continue the setup, the Siri and all that. Select your language for Siri. Say, hey Siri. Say, hey Siri, send a message. Yeah, True Tone display. You know what? Untuk iPhone 11 ni, dia sama juga macam iPhone XR. Dia guna LCD screen. But still for me, the moment I saw this screen is nothing much different from. I mean, yeah, still the resolution is still good. So selesai restore this iPhone 11 from my old iPhone 7, and then yeah, that's a good thing lah. If you're restoring, if you back up all the data from your old phone to the new phone, you don't have to do anything. You just plug in and then let the restoration do it for you. And yeah, well, I think that's all for now. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it. If you like this video, please thumbs up and comment down below if you have anything to ask, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright, bye.